In relationships between men and women, women like men to touch these places the most. Stupid men should learn from this. In the world of love, every touch is a transmission of emotion. Intercourse between the sexes, like the melody and steps in a dance, requires mutual understanding and coordination. In this process, the subtle physical contact can often convey the most sincere emotions. Women, as creatures with rich emotions, often feel love and care through men's touch. So, what parts do they like men to touch? Let's talk about it in detail. Perhaps for every man, this is a required knowledge. 1. Touching hair, super gentle care. Your hair is as smooth as silk, and I can't help but want to touch it. Women's hair is one of the most feminine parts of their bodies, containing tenderness and fragility. When a man gently touches a woman's hair, it is not only an appreciation of its beauty, but also a gentle care beyond words. This touch, like a spring breeze, makes women feel cherished and protected. As the ancients said, "Hold your hand and grow old with you," this gentle touch is a witness to the peaceful years. 2. Touching foreheads, a blessing full of affection. When foreheads are facing each other, hearts are connected. The forehead, as an important part of the human face, is ordinary, but it carries deep emotional implications. When the foreheads of men and women touch each other, they seem to feel each other's heartbeat and breathing. This is an extreme intimacy and trust. A man gently touches a woman's forehead, like a deep blessing, wishing her peace, health, and eternal beauty. Such a touch, without too many words, can deeply touch a woman's heart. 3. Holding hands, a super firm commitment. I hold your hand, just like holding the warmth of the whole world. Hands are tools for human labor and creation, and also an important bridge for conveying emotions. When a man holds a woman's hand tightly, the firmness and strength make the woman feel that she is no longer alone. The temperature between this handshake is not only physical warmth, but also spiritual comfort. It is like a silent promise that he will be with her no matter it is rainy or sunny, and face the challenges of life together. 4. Touching the back, super warm comfort. Touch my soul gently, only you can hear my heart. The back is one of the relatively sensitive areas of the human body, and proper touch can bring a strong sense of security. When a man hugs a woman from behind or gently pats her back, the super warm comfort makes the woman feel like she has found support. This kind of touch is like a ray of sunshine in winter, warm and lasting, and can dispel all the hatch and anxiety. It tells a woman that no matter when and where, there is always someone willing to shelter her from the wind and rain. Conclusion. Love is to feel every subtle movement of the other person with your heart. In summary, physical contact in interpersonal communication is not only a physiological need, but also an emotional exchange. Women like these places that men touch, not just because of physical stimulation, but more importantly, the care and commitment from the bottom of their hearts. Therefore, as men, we should learn to perceive women's needs with our hearts and respond to their expectations with delicate emotions. In the world of love, every little touch may become an emotional catalyst. Whether it is the gentle care of touching hair, the affectionate touch of forehead, the firm commitment of holding hands, or the warm comfort of touching back, they are all indispensable beautiful moments in love. So, dear male friends, when we are with our loved ones, we might as well pay more attention to these details and convey this deep love with our hands and hearts.